Get your lawn off to a beautiful start this spring. You'll reduce ongoing maintenance and improve the health of your lawn with proper spring lawn care. A properly managed lawn is more drought tolerant, better able to outcompete the weeds, and less susceptible to insects and diseases. Those in northern areas need to start by lightly raking the lawn as snow recedes. Use a leaf and landscape rake to lift and dry the grass. This helps prevent snow mold by loosening and drying grass that has been matted down under the snow and ice. Avoid heavy yard work in spring until the soil dries out. Foot traffic and hard raking can compact or disturb soggy soil and damage tender new grass shoots. Start mowing your grass as soon as it starts growing. Raise the mowing height if you haven't already done so. Taller grass is better able to compete with weeds. Remove small populations of weeds by hand and be sure to get the entire plant and root if possible. If weeds have taken over, you may choose to spot spray with a weed killer labeled for this purpose. Check the lawn for thatch, a mat of accumulated dead grass that lies on the soil surface. Use a knife to slice through the grass and into the soil to find and evaluate the thatch layer. A thin thatch layer acts as a mulch, but a thick layer, 1 inch or more, blocks the flow of water and nutrients to the grass roots. Aerate your lawn to manage thatch and improve your lawn's health. It reduces soil compaction, increases nutrient uptake, and improves drainage. If you have more than 1/2 inch, rent a power rake or dethatching machine to remove the thatch, then add this nutrient-rich material to the compost pile. Wait until the lawn is actively growing to get started. Core aerate or dethatch southern grasses in the spring through midsummer. It's best to core aerate or dethatch northern grasses in late summer or fall. After aerating or dethatching is the best time to overseed and fertilize. The holes from aerating and reduced thatch layer provide better seed-to-soil contact for better germination and overseeding success. And the fertilizer can easily reach the grass roots. A properly fertilized lawn encourages thick, dense growth that's less susceptible to thatch and better able to compete with weeds. Make your first fertilizer application in the spring. Use Milorganite, a low-nitrogen, slow-release fertilizer that is only available to the lawn when needed. It won't damage your lawn when hot, dry weather arrives. Homeowners in southern regions should fertilize with Milorganite around Easter after the grass starts growing, and again Memorial Day. Those in northern regions should fertilize with Milorganite around Memorial Day. Fertilizing northern grasses earlier in the season promotes top growth at the expense of root growth. That means more mowing and a less drought and pest-resistant lawn. After mowing and fertilizing, sweep grass clippings and fertilizer residue off the walks and drives. This simple step keeps unwanted nutrients out of our waterways and eventually our drinking water. So start out the season with a bit of proper care for a healthy, great-looking lawn.